Hey, Carlos. I've always wondered, what's your morning routine like?
Hey Natalie, mine is kind of structured. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
That's early. What's the first thing you do?
I go straight to the bathroom and I brush my teeth while listening to a personal development podcast. It helps me start the day with positive energy.
Wow, that's a productive start. And what about breakfast?
After brushing my teeth, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat a chicken sandwich with a bit of ketchup, and I drink papaya juice, which we call Jugo de la Cosa back home.
That sounds delicious. What do you do after breakfast?
I get dressed, then I help my wife get our daughter ready for school. I usually help her put on her school clothes.
That's sweet. You're a great dad.
Thanks. Around 7:30 a.m., we all leave the house together. I drop my wife off at the school where she works, then I head to my job. I teach electronics at a polytechnic school.
That's a full morning. Mine's a bit different. I wake up around 7 a.m., so a little later than you.
Lucky you. What's the first thing you do?
I usually start by stretching for a few minutes in my room. Then I head to the kitchen to make a cup of tea. I'm not a coffee person.
Really? I need coffee to survive.
I know. After my tea, I check my emails and look at my schedule for the day. I like to know what's ahead.
That's smart. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Sometimes. If I have time, I make oatmeal with bananas and cinnamon. If I'm in a hurry, I just grab a granola bar and head out.
That's a healthy start.
Thanks. After that, I get dressed, do some light makeup, and leave around 8:15 a.m. I usually walk to my office job downtown.
Sounds peaceful. No school uniforms or little kids to dress.
Not yet. But your mornings sound busy and meaningful.
Yeah, they are. Helping my wife and daughter gives me a reason to wake up motivated.
That's beautiful. I like how we both have routines that work for our lives.
Exactly. Morning routines really set the tone for the day.
Totally agree. Maybe I'll try adding a podcast to my mornings too.
You should. It really helps to start the day with good thoughts.
I'll give it a try tomorrow. Thanks for sharing, Carlos.
Anytime, Natalie.